Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. And today I'm going to explain what a birth rate is. Okay, so imagine there are imagine there are 10 people. Let me just copy this. Let me just So imagine there are 5 people and and these one these ones are boys and these ones are girls. So what birth rate is how many kids one woman has. Like imagine these are the kids. So if the birth rate is like 3, birth rate is 3, then each woman will have 3 kids. So 3 for that one, then 3 for that one, and 3 for that one. So then uh, now these are the new generation. Yeah. Let me just erase this. So then imagine the birth rate changes to like 2. Uh, so then uh, these ones are masculine and these ones are feminine. Mm, mm. So then all the girls uh, all the girls have 2 kids. So like that. But what's this? Before there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 people in the generation before. But now there are only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now there's one more person in the new generation. So now the birth rate changes to um, let's say 1. So let me just put everyone in there. Mm, okay, done. So now um, of these people or male, and of these people are female. So now the next generation comes, but now the wait, let me just so now only one of each woman, only each woman has only one kid. So this is in a hypothetical situation where like each each person isn't going to have the same number of kids, and birth rates change. Like birth rates will probably be birth rates will probably be more like this than just one. So, and also there are people that aren't male or female and all of that. But in this video, I'm only explaining the simpler things. Okay, so now there are only 5 people left in the new generation. Mm, they just there are 5 people, and most of them are male. So, if the same, if the birth rate is still 1, uh, then there will only be 2 people, and there will only be 2 people in the next generation. So this one's a girl, this one's a boy, and if the birth rate is still 1, then there will only be one person left. And say they're female. So now, without any without any man, she can't really do anything. So she dies, and there's no one left. That's what birth rate is. How many? Yeah. So the equation for finding out how many people are in the next generation is n equals cb divided by 2, or next generation equals current generation times the birth rate divided by 2. Like that. This next generation equals so next generation e- equals let me just bring this down. Next generation equals C current generation times birth rate let me bring the birth rate over here divided by 2. So next generation equals current generation times birth rate divided by 2. That's the equation. One more thing. The birth rate that makes the population stay still is 2. Like, imagine you have 2 people, if, and one of them is a boy and one of them is a girl. If they have kids together, then well, then the cycle can continue again. Bye.